How to view your Hilton Honors existing reservation status. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your reservation status on the Hilton.com. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser, and then on the Hilton's page, you will see your stays option in the top right. Just tap on it. It will take you to a new page, and then you will need to put in a confirmation number, your last name, and your arrival date. If you don't know your confirmation number or need help finding a reservation, you can call at the given number below, and then you can check your reservation status. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.